like to reiterate a couple of points that Brady made about the uniqueness of the school and the presence of the Catholic values here. Having taught in a number of different settings myself, there is something truly unique about this place, and it's evident from the moment that you walk in. The conversations that I've had with staff since I've been here the last 3 weeks, it's so clear to me how deeply invested they are, not only in the children that they work with on a day-to-day basis this year, but the students that they've worked with for previous years and continue to see in the yard as well. I was also struck when we spoke to the Year 6 7s the other day, and I asked how many had been here since reception, and it was probably 90%. And they were proud. There was a sense of pride in that, and such a beautiful thing to see, especially in a wonderful community like Murray Bridge. So Brady did speak about, our ability to know your child and some of the measures that we do that. The Pulse survey, I'm not sure if many have heard of the Pulse survey. It's a termly check-in for our students, the ability to hear how they're going, how they're feeling about their learning and their relationships. They live in a different time. They connect differently than we did when we were younger. Technology has changed that in a massive way. So for us to be aware of how our students and how our young people are connecting and how those relationships are playing out is crucial for us to develop powerful learning for them. This is something that all CESA schools are rolling out in an attempt to better get a sense of how these children are tracking. And this gives and forms for us purposeful conversation as educators in the staff room on a daily basis. We are engaging about the well-being of each of the young people in our care. Sector, which is a learning management system, Adam might talk a little bit more about that, and the ability for teachers to track data and use it to inform their planning and their programming for their students, but also to record conversations, to document strategies, what worked with this young person, what are the things that they are going through, what is successful for them, how can they feel valued here in our community. These are things that we put at the top of our tree of priorities here at St Joseph's as well. I'd like to reiterate it again since I've been here. There's nothing quite like this school. It is so deeply powerful and it is so unique in the way that everyone connects as well. I'm so excited to see what these young people are going to be able to achieve in a beautiful new space with, like Mr. Stallard said, beautiful support and the community around them as well.